Hello Python programmers, Spidy is back with one another video. So in previous video we have seen about the bank IFSC code checker using Python. Then I have just started this short programming series. Means in this series I will just explain the programming facts and programming tricks into just less than 15 seconds, right? So if you have not subscribed our Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel, then subscribe the Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel. And now next thing is all the content which available of which is shown into video, now it will be available into my blog also. Just what you need to do is you just need to go to machinelearninghub.net and you just need to login via Google, and you need to purchase a student membership plan which is available at 0 rupees. I am not taking any charge for it. You just need to subscribe the plan and you will get this kind of the blogs into free. Means all the kind of materials are available into my blog if you want to access the code. Right now, without wasting time, let's go to the project. So now our this project is you can say music player assistant. So few days back I have created the music player, right, and the music player was built using Tkinter, right. So all the things we are going to learn into this video. So maybe this video will be some longer. So you just need to watch the full video and you will get how we can create the music player, and then after that creating the music player, how we can create a virtual assistant, right. So let's understand it from this step to step. Now the first thing we just have done is created the music player, and then after the creating into music player, I just created this whole GUI code into PyP library. Means just like a NumPy pandas, I have created my own library, right. So if you have not watched that video, so that video is already available on my YouTube channel. So you can see here where you build your Python package and publish it to PyP. So you can create your own Python package. Now we need to create a music player assistant for it. So let's see the demo first, how it is working. Might be you will get some higher audio from the system. Let's see.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Spidy. I can play songs for you from the below list.
Happy.
Did not get the playlist name. Please say from below names.
Angry.
Playing, angry playlist for you with PyMusic_player.
You can see that's how our application is working. So first it will automatically detect the songs folder into your directory, right. If it is not there, then you just need to create a one directory. You just need to put your playlist song here. Like I just copy paste from my emotion music player, means emotion recognition system. So these all are the folders. So it will give you the list of the available folders, like you can say available playlist, and from that playlist you just need to give a one word name, like playlist name like angry, disgust, or whatever playlist you have. Actually I just tried double time angry, so it will not work because I have not done that much pre-processing here, but still you can do more with it, right. So now when I try only one angry, it is playing the it is playing the automatically launching my music player, and you can see this is the code. Welcome to the welcome from the Py music player community, right. So this library is built by me. You can see this is the URL here. So you can, if you want to access the code of my music player, then this is the code, right. Now you can see this is the music player user interface. It will give you the total counts of the song. It will identify which song is next. You can say after Sanamre there is a Tere Sang Yara song, right. I am not playing any song. Actually it is playing into background, but I just put it down the volume on 0 because I will get a copyright strike. You can see currently song is playing, but I am not going to increase the volume. Even I can play the whatever song from the selection. Like if I want to play this Bin Tere song, then I just need to click on this, and you just means I just need to click on this play button, and it will start the playing. You can see currently it is playing, but the volume is on 0. You can adjust the volume slider from here. You can see Bin Tere. Even it can play the previous song. You can see it is Biggie Biggie. Even if I am going to next, then it is Bin Tere. Even I can go to continuously previously. Even I can go to continuous towards down. Some of the time it will showing the error here, but all the errors are means error are handled here. It will work continuously. You can see it will continuously iterate to the loop. Even if I don't like this song, I can delete this song from here. Even if I want to add any song, then I can do means I can add any song here. Just example, I just need to add any one song here. Okay, you can see the song is added here. Even I can play this song also. So this song is added to our currently playlist. So you can see this is the angry playlist. So that's how our music player is working. So let's see how many line of the code is there into this music player. You can see this is the very basic music player, but it still have all the functionality related to the music player, right? So first we will understand the code of this board, because after the understanding the code of board, we will just go into the music player code, right? So now currently I am doing the speech recognition and audio facility. So obviously I am using PyTTSX and speech recognition library. This library is created by me, so obviously I will import it just to play the music, right? Now I just need to initialize the engine. Engine is to play the voice from the system. Now I need to get the voice, so I can use 1 or 0 female or male voice here. I'm just set at the voice. Now I need to create a one playlist. Then I just need to initialize one speak function for the audio. Now there is a one function for the bot answer, so it will give you like this, like what the bot is saying, like assistant, say a music player name like this, greetings. Now for the greetings, I just taken a simple taking the whole timing, like if it is between 0 to 12, it is good morning, 12 to 18, then it is good afternoon, otherwise good evening, or whatever you can say. Now it will speak, welcome to the Spotify, I can play the song for you from the below list, right? And bot will say a playlist name to play that playlist, right? Now we are using OS library, and OS library will find the songs folder into our directory. If it is not there, it will generate the error. So currently I just need to add the one exception here. It should be display the message. If any error, then it should be message like create a songs folder and put your playlist into that, right? So I will do it later. Now bot answer means it should display this playlist, like you can see the playlist displaying. Now action taker. So action taker is function for to recognize the user voice, means what user is saying. So SR means speech recognizer dot recognizer. So actually how this library is working. So some of the people are like they are doing inbuilt processing here into our machine. No, this is the API, right? So how it is working, if you are speaking anything, then it will convert that into some of the stream into audio, and it will send that audio to via API to some Google API URL, and from that it will give you the text, right? So for make sure you should have the active internet, otherwise this library will not work. And this library have lots of issues, because some of the time it is not working. So some of people are thinking like this is earphone issue or mic issue. This is none of your issue. It might be have that there is a lots of traffic on that API, because it is free in open source, right? So you just need to wait for a while. So I just that's why I just set that exception here. If anything goes wrong, then it will give you the error, like say that again, even it will print the exception here. Now I'm making the get function call here, which is greeting. Now this is our main part, while true, because we need to go continuously into while. Now I need to take the command from the user, command action taker dot lower. So currently I am just converting whole playlist into lower, and I will convert the whole answer of the user into lower. So it might be issue with the string matching, like if I am saying angry which is in lower case, and if there is angry which is in means first letter is capital, then it will not match, right? So now what I'm doing, if any, I'm using any function here, command. The command means what I'm saying, right? If I'm saying angry or disgust, the any of the word which is available into that playlist, then automatically it will play the particular song for that you, right? So now what I need to do is, I just created the song playlist. So for that, what I will do, first of all I need to get the command, right? So based on that, I need to get the index of from the original list, and then I will just set means I need to get that value of the playlist. And what I will do then, I just need to set the whole path, because see, my music player will work if I am giving the full path of the music player, right? So I just need to full absolute path of my music player, right? So this is the angry directory, right? So what should be the my absolute path, because this project is located into D drive. So D, then Spotify assistant, after that it is song, and song, then it is angry. So this is my full path. So obviously that's why I need to give the os dot path dot path, means it will give you the absolute path of the full. And now I will print the one message, means it will be like both answered. You can see here, playing angry playlist, means what the user is said, playlist name, because we need to get the playlist name with this, right? So playing angry playlist, or whatever you have said, for you with Pi music player, right? Now speak, means the same thing it will speak. So there is nothing sense here. Now the most interesting part is, I'm just calling the one function, and I'm just making, means I'm just passing the music directory to my music player, and it will play the music. So the main code is here in this music player GUI. We will see it later. Now the another thing is the time. If someone is asking for the time, like what time it is, it will give the time like other assistant. If I'm saying the stop, then it will just break the loop. If anything goes wrong, my means if any word is not understood by the board, then it will give you the did not get the playlist name, please say a name from below name, and the code is over. So we can do means there are lots of doing, we need to do pre-processing here, but this is a simple boat, right? So currently, even I'm using for my regular purpose, just I am playing the, like, I have some of the songs, but I don't want to listen all of them, right? So what I'm doing, I just created a 7 directory, and I will just play the song according to my mood. So basically that's how this working in real time. Now we need to see about how this UI is working. Just I'm clicking on it, because this is the system library. I have just just created the full package of it, so I can access the system library. You can see this is the defining in yellow, so this is the system library. So that's why you can what you need to do is you just if you want to install this API, means this music player, then you just need to copy this command, and you need to go to CMD. You just need to write here, and it will automatically install. You can see a requirement already satisfied, right? So that's how you can install this music player. But now the main part is, this most interesting thing is how to create this music player, right? So there are some of the modules which I'm using is which is more important, which is pygame and mutagen ID3, TTK themes, and Tkinter for user interface. Now mutagen is I'm only using to identify the MP3 songs and get the total duration of the songs. Now pygame is I'm using for the playing the song, because in pygame there is separate modules to play the audio. So that's why I'm using the pygame here. Sorry, just I got a call, so I'm just declining it. Now there is I have created the whole code into one function, right? So there will be only one function in this library, music player GUI. Now in this GUI, user can pass two things: only path of the means directory of the song path, and icon. If icon means what? If the music player is opening, then you can see there is a one icon into left. So currently it is showing a default Tkinter icon. So we can simply show the icon whatever you want, but make sure you should have a proper ICO file, right? So before just this is the 298 line code, so just I need to show you the music player GUI. I need to just get the full path of my Spotify assistant, then it is into songs, and then it is I'm just playing any random. Now I'm making running, I'm not running the my assistant, I'm running the full music player. And now first of all I need to mute it. You can see the song is playing here, right? So you can see this is the left icon, which is currently logo of the Tkinter. You can place whatever ICO file, or you can say icon you have. Now understand the main thing of this. So we need to understand it from the user interface. So now ignore all the functions, or you whatever you can say background function. I'm just making it larger. Okay, so now what I have started is welcome to the means this is the printing message which is indicating the my library. So I just created the some global variables to access the on all the means all the functions. Now root will be my music player user interface, then tk dot themes themed tk. So there is a difference, means if you want a particular theme, then there is a ttk themes available. You need to initialize the class from here. Now get themes. So now my current theme is Radiance. Now root dot title is capital music player, and configure background. So you can see this is my background here, right? Now root dot minimize 500 500 and resizable 0000 means what? I cannot minimize and maximize this window, right? Now ignore the all the functions like this. Now list box. So list box is very useful. You can see this is the list box. If it's have the more than 1000 means more than this area song, then it will automatically give you the scroll bar effect. So that's how list box is working. List box is kind of the list, you can say it is a very similar to whatever you can say like list, or I hope you got idea how it is looking. You can see this is the list like 1 2 3 4 5 songs. Even if you have the more than 200 or 500 songs in your playlist, then it will display all the songs. You just need to go to scroll down below it, you can access all the songs. So currently that's why I have created the list box here, right? Now for the displaying song into list box, I should have the some list here. So some of the people are saying like where is the real time use of the list and tuple dictionary? So this is the real use of it. Now real names, I just need to get the names of the song from the directory which is choose by the user. Now some of the things we need to set the 0, like index, count, ctr, music, and pose. I will means it will explain means currently you won't get it, but after the some time you will get it. That's why I just set it the 0. Now length. So length is what? It when I open the music player, it will show here. So these all are the total length. Like 4 means 4 minute is longer song, or 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So kind of the time duration of the song. Now there is one label here, welcome to the Pi music player. So that's just for the looking purpose. Now total 2 song means total number of the songs, but actually I have not placed this label here. Means I have just placed, but I have not placed actually as for the simple. I have created the instance of the label, but I have not placed like into x and y position. It will currently showing, but when the particular function call, then it will automatically show like total number of the song. So it will automatically detect the length of the list, means length of the song. It will count the how many songs we have, right? For the same upcoming song, it will automatically detect the next song of like after the BNJ there is a big song here, right? Now on closing, if I am just clicking on the close, then it should ask do you want to quit. If I am pressing OK, then it should be root.destroy. Destroy means my music should be stopped and my all songs should be destroyed, right? Now there is a scale bar to adjust the volume. Currently I am not going to adjust, otherwise it will play the full volume song and I will get a copyright, right? Now there is a status bar. So currently status bar means what? This is the, you can say these all are the status bar of here, right? Now after that we have just defined the frame. Frame for what? You can see this all are particular thing into one frame. So this button panel is on, it is not anything but it is one frame. On that frame there is all the buttons are continuously means continuously aligned, right? So let's start from the but even you can see there is a one main frame. After that for the different button there is a different frame. So you can see now for the previous button there is a one green color frame. You can see, observe, you can see these all a green color are the frames, and into that frame we have the button. You can see button, and I just choose the different color for that. Like you can see for the frame it is a green color, and for the button it is black color. So that's why it is all the buttons are aligned continuously into parallel. So this is the previous button. After that this is, there is a add play, but so for the repeating the same song, there is a play song. If I want to play any random song from the selection, then this is the play button. Now push button. So push button is for what? Just playing the song and pushing the song, you can see, right? Now delete button. Delete button is just to delete the song. Now add button. So add and delete. So add and delete, just for to add the song and delete the song, and there is a one next button, right? So now I think all the GUI part I have explained the properties. So there is not much component here. You can see all the things are, you are already aware with all this if you know the Tkinter. Now the main thing is how to just get the background of this. So already it is 21 minutes longer, so I need to go more fast about this. Now when I open the music player, right, when I opening the music player, automatically it should play the songs. So there is a one function which is called play songs. So global, just I have defined the some of the global things. So first of all I need to initialize the directory which is selected by user. You can see song dir path. Now my title should be same as the directory which is chosen by the user. So what it will do actually, for files in os.list directory, if the file is means it should be happen, there is a one folder, there is a 50 mp3 and 50 images, right? So it will only detect mp3. Now with this add3 I am just getting the original mp3 song, I am appending into the list of the songs. So automatically it will appending it will automatically append into the list, right? And when the someone is when opening the music player, it will show the whole song into here, because now this list is assigned with the list box, right? So that's how list and list box is useful here, right? So some of the things we need to do here is real name. We need to understand how the real name is, like real name of the song, right? Now the main thing is we need to go it into loop here for I in list of songs, and count is equal to count plus 1. So this is the most important, because if my song is playing, right, so after the over it will continue with the next count, right? Now for the playing I just need to initialize the our pygame. So from pygame.mixer.init, so it will initialize. Then I need to load the list of song, means list of songs, kind of our list. Now index, so I have just told you index. So by default my index is what? Index is 0, so it will automatically load the zeroth index song here. Okay, where is it? Okay, right. So this is the most the important things to understand. Now we need to understand the list box item config. So the if the song is playing, right, so then the song should be displayed into black. So that's why what I'm doing, list box dot item config, and currently I'm doing background black and foreground white, right? Now for that particular song I just need to get the timing of that song. So this mutagen function is coming from the mutagen. So mutagen will allow you to just give you this how many second of the song, like if the 5 minutes, then it will give you the 300 second, right? So we need to convert into minute, seconds and whole, right? So that's why I'm using the time format here. So for understanding this, you should have the basic Python knowledge. I'm not going to explain you the each and every line, because see, it will take a much more time, right? Now I need to display the sum of things onto the our music player, right? So like time. So currently I'm displaying the time. After that, which song is playing? So this is the status bar I have created into the user interface, playing this list of the song and index. The if the means the song which is playing on the index, right? So it will show the same name here. Like just play the song. You can see playing who I have spell, right? So this song is currently playing into my system, right? Now length and two song matlab total song, right? So it is showing the total song here, right? Now I need to set the default value of the volume. So volume dot set, this is the pygame mixer music dot set volume. Set volume is on 0.8, so it will automatically defaultly adjust the set value onto 0.8% volume, right? So 80% you can say. But for the volume is what it is volume bar. So if I am setting 80% volume from the pygame for any particular song, then my volume bar should be on the 80, right? So obviously it can navigate to the original value. So that's why I just volume set here. Now upcoming song. Now we need to understand one another function, which is upcoming song. All the functions are easy, but some of the functions are difficult here. Upcoming song means what? Just understand the logic. After the 0 it will be 1, after the 1 it will be 2. For the same this list box, after the bin the it will be biggie song, right? After that it is bin tere. So what I need to do, it is very simple logic. You just need to increase the index by 1, and you just need to set the label of the next song, right? So that's how we can set the upcoming song title here, because when the music is playing, I need to set the upcoming song title here, right? So that's how upcoming song function is working, right? The loop song function, it is very important. Loop song, how it will work? See, after means currently this entire song is playing, right? So after this song finish, it will automatically play this biggie. After the over, it will continuously play all the songs for the hour, right? When the playlist is over, it will start once again from the 0, means it is continuously into loop. So there is a one into loop song, there is a one module in pygame.mixer.get busy. So it will return into true and false, like 0 and 1. So if jo, I don't know why I have given this weird name, is 0, and if push is not equal to 1, then it will automatically call the next song function. And now my root dot after means this Tkinter is checking by every fraction of the second. If just example, currently you can see currently my pygame mixer is paused, right? So it is it will give you the 0, right? Oh sorry, it will give you the 1, because currently it is busy and not, right? So currently actually it is not busy, but I have given the condition when song is paused it will not play the song. But if song is finished, just example, if you are playing any song, but after the moment when the song is finished, you will get some 1 second or 1 or 2 second break in every music player application, right? So in that break your music player backend will be free. So when my music player backend will be free, I am calling the next song function, right? But if I am pushing the song, then what happen? The same thing will happen again. If I am pushing the song any, right? So what it will do, if I am any pushing, I'm just going to pause in this song, so music player will be free. According to my condition, what it will play the next song, but it should not be there. So that's why I defined the two condition here, right? So now I need to understand the next song function. So how the next song function is working, right? So what it will do, first of all, there is one condition. If index which is global, if it is equal to length of the song, means when you go to the 80 song, right? So it will automatically do the 0. So after the 8 there is 80 song into list, right? So when you reach to the 80 number of the song, and when the 80 number of the song is finished, it will automatically start from the 0, and you can see all the things like item.config black and white, and I'm just getting the time info update song, all the things I have explained earlier. So this is the simple logic behind of it. Now next song we have initialized, right? Now the same thing is for the previous song. So in previous, what I'm doing is the simple logic is there. I'm just copied this next song function, but in next I'm increasing the index like one by one. So in previous, what I will do, it is very simple. I'm just decreasing the index. All the functions and all the things are same, but at the end, obviously, I'm calling the two function, which is loop song for the playing the particular songs, and for the upcoming song means it will give you the title which song is next, right? So most of function I have explained. Now I need to see play music. Okay, upcoming song I have explained, add music, right? So if I am playing on this add song, right, so if what should be happen, so it will ask you for the ask open file name. There is already inbuilt Tkinter module. If the file name is nothing, means user is not choosing anything, it will pass. But if user is anything choosing, so what it will do, it will get the full path of that choosing mp3. It will insert that file into our index, into the our list, and it will update the list, right? So when I clicking on this add music, it will ask you for the song which you want to add, and it will update all the things automatically, right? Now play music is very difficult to understand. Now if I am choosing the because see, all the songs are continuously playing, but if I want to listen this song jab tak, right? So for that I need to have this function play music particularly, right? So for that I need to get the selection of the list box from the user, right? What song I'm selecting? Currently I'm selecting the second last, mean -2 index of the song, right? Because it is second last, right? So I need to get the current selection from the user, right? So for index in items, what I'm doing, I'm getting the index number of that chosen song name from the user, right? Then pygame mixer.init, and what I'm doing is I'm simply playing the song which is chosen by the user, right? So from this list, the jab tak is the second last song, right? If I am choosing this song, then it should be playing currently. That's how it is playing using this code, and all the things are same, like putting the status bar, getting the mp3 info, then timestamp, and these two function at the end, right? Now the next function is delete music. This is very simple. From this logic is very similar into play music and delete music. Same here, I just need to get the user selection, and what I am doing, listbox.delete. So I am deleting that particular item from the both list box and list of the songs, right? And once again I am updating the total songs, because I need to update the total song here, right? If I am updating like this, I am removing this song, you can just see there are total 8 number of songs, but if I am deleting this, so my total song should be 7. So that's why I am updating this 2 song into every function, which is affecting the playlist. Now only one function is remaining, which is called push song. So here I am just putting the CTR value already initialized by 0 by me into first, right? So here CTR and push both the thing here. Like now what I am doing, CTR is 0. Now I am increasing CTR by 1. So what it will happen, CTR will be 1. So what I am doing, if CTR divided by 2, right, so it will push the music, right? So when what happen, actually the song is playing, if I am calling this function push, so it with this button it will call the push song. So what happen, my CTR will be 1, right? So what happened, my mixer dot music, this is a push and unpush coming from the pygame mixer, so my songs will be push here, but right, but if I am calling the same function again, so now my CTR is 1, right? Now what happens, CTR increased by once again, it is 1, so 1 plus 1 it is 2, right? So it will go into the else condition and it will automatically unpush. So same thing, if once again I am pushing, so it will be 3, my CTR value will be 3, still it is not, it will get into this condition, so it will music will be pushed. If I'm placing once again, then obviously it will unpush, right? Now I need to push, but I just need to display this but logo which I have copied from the internet. So push and unpush this text, I need to update it, right? If I'm release the song, means I'm playing the song, then this logo should be there. If I'm posing any song, then this top should be there, and my title should be song post. So you can see status bar text is equal to song post, right? So that's how post song is working, right? So all the function I think I have explained. Only the one thing is volume function, which is actually available into upper. For the volume, what I am doing is just I am taking the volume from the round, means actually it is very difficult to understand, but let me first of all what I need to do is I will just initialize this volume bar here, right? Currently song is pushed, so I can increase it. So total 100 here, total from 100 to 0, you can see. So it will adjust the volume according to that. So round float value divided by 50, right? So what actually do this return the value like 100, 90, 100. The maximum is 100 and lower is 0. So what actually happening, I am passing the, just I am simply explaining, I am passing this value. Like if user is choosing 50, like 45, user is choosing the 45, then my pygame dot mixer dot music dot set volume would be the 45. Simple it is. And then volume dot config and the same the value should be get display here. Like user is choose like you can see it is increasing. When I am increasing this bar, it is updating. So this selection should be visible to the user, means what the number of the volume is choosing by user, like 58, 59, and the same thing will be updated into the music, means our pygame mixer into volume. So you can see into pygame all the things are available, just you need to create your own logic to get the music player working. Now end of the means end of the whole function, I am just binding all the function into buttons. So and for the I am just playing this, calling this one function which is play song, which we this function will start into initial, like next button dot bind. What happen is I am just binding all the buttons according to my buttons. Like for the add button, I am just defining the add function. For the delete button, I am just defining delete function. So you can see in this 300 line only one line is remaining, right? So what I have used, you can see some of the things are very easy, even it is very less complex than the competitive programming, right? But the main thing is how you can develop the logic of real-time application. So some of people like what these programmings and logics are useful into real world. So you can see this is real world music player application, and that's how our logic is useful into real world. And you know, there are when I started, there are thousands of the bugs into this music player, but now after the trying of like I just spent almost 1 month on it. I'm not spending that much, but I'm spending almost 1 hour for the daily, right? Because it was my one client work, so I just given to my client, and you know they become the very happy, and then they allow me to do this open source, right? So that's why I open source this code, and I just created the public library for it. So I think guys I have explained the full things into this. Might be some of the things maybe I cannot able to explain, might, because see, for that you need to have the understand of the basic Python programming. I cannot teach you one by one line, because some of the understanding you should have, right? If you cannot able to understand, then you should brush up your Python skill, because I have tried my best to explain this from the scratch, right? And I think this video will be around 38 minutes longer, right? So guys, thank you for the listening me. So see you in the next one. And you can see our music player is working, but due to this YouTube policies, I cannot able to play any song here, because I will get the copyright. Actually still it is played, but it is okay, right? Because it is less than 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so guys, see you in the next one. Until that, keep learning, and I will publish already I just show you this how, means where this code is located, and you can install this code via pip only. So you don't need to do anything, just like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel. You will get more videos into future, right? So see you in the next one. Until that, keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe Machine Learning Hub YouTube channel.